Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Chris. I am a photographer and audio engineer from New Jersey, and this is a house we're going to be doing some twilight photos with. Now tonight, I should say tonight instead of today, I was already here earlier today photographing this house, and it is now time to do some twilight. So I got here a little bit later than I wanted to, but that's okay because I'm going to do some lawn exposures to maybe get some of the twilight sky up there. So to do twilight pictures, it's actually very, very easy. And I had on good word from the homeowners that the pavement in the driveway right here would be completely fresh, completely new, and I would need to walk in the dirt from the end of the driveway to here, but obviously that did not happen. Which is good for me because I did not feel like walking in the dark, in the dirt. So for these photos, you absolutely do need a tripod. Lock that in. Okay, so I am hearing some footsteps coming from that direction, so I'm willing to bet that it's probably some deer. No matter, fingers crossed that it is just some deer. In either case, I'm gonna get my phone from the car so I could use the flashlight. Okay. All right, we got the trees, got the woods. This is magnificent. This really is a magnificent piece of property. So I'm just in the lawn exposure here for 8 seconds at f2.8 ISO 200. Yeah, that's giving me some good images. Oh yeah, there's definitely some deer in the distance back there. And look, you can even see the stars in the distance on the screen. That's amazing. And if you look really close, you can see them up there. I really don't want to creep myself out here, but this really is the perfect house for a horror movie. I say that as I hear a loud bang in the woods. But like seriously, just imagine every horror movie ever. You see the people walking in the house, and you see the killer just out there. Okay, yeah, I just creeped myself out. Smart, Chris. Smart. There we go. Oh, they did pave this area. Okay. Okay, Chris, just a couple more. Yeah, back roads like this genuinely creep me out a little bit. May get one more over that way. I mean, the real money shots of all of this whole property are in the backyard. So, because see, right now I have 1, 2, 3, 6. Let's try to get 7. Lucky 7. Let's see. Okay. The things I do for real estate. Yeah. Yeah, this is going to be nice. Okay, any scary bears out there, now's the time to jump at me. I am a Green Bay Packers fan, so I hate bears by default. Okay. I think that is good. Got 1 on the side, 2 in the back, 3 in the front. Yeah, we're good. Okay. And that is that. Photo shoot done. I'm going to get these into Lightroom when I get home, and you know, I'm not too upset that I came back here today. I was going to hit up the movie theater and see John Wick 4 because I caught up on all 3 John Wick movies, and I am hyped as hell to see part 4. But my client called and said, "Can you come back to this address? They want Twilight photos." Okay. And as far as pricing goes for Twilight photos, for these 7 pictures plus travel and expenses, that's about $100 right there. So you literally saw me work for what, 15 minutes here? Made $100. Not a bad way to spend an evening. That's maybe what, 2 movie tickets and a popcorn these days? And that, my friends, is it. That is how I do Twilight photos. All of a sudden I turn on my headlights and you see like Jason Voorhees flashing up at me going ch 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 ch. I shouldn't joke about that. This is northern New Jersey. I wouldn't be surprised if there is a Jason Voorhees somewhere in these woods. But nevertheless, we are all good. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.